Elizabeth. She's having so much fun eating her ham and cheese sandwich today. Yeah, look at the little leggies are kicking. Ready? Elizabeth. Bye! Huh? She keeps throwing herself back. Before I even touch you, I didn't even do anything. Elizabeth. Gotcha. Can you hold this? Elizabeth. Yeah? You're not so funny anymore. What happened? There you go. Nobody touched you. Yeah. You're just going to throw yourself back every now and then? Ready? Love those. Yeah. Go ahead. What's today's date? The 13th?
15th.
15th?
Yeah.
July 15th. 8.5 months old today, huh? Eating ham and cheese like the best of them. What's that on your hand? Yummy.
Make her do it one more time.
No, now she's eating.